Are you ready for a bike that conquers city streets and rugged trails with equal ease? The 2026 Yamaha TW 200 is here to redefine what it means to ride free. Whether you're cruising through traffic or exploring off-road adventures, this machine is built to handle it all. Welcome back to Bike Insight, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting updates from the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Yamaha TW 200, a bike that continues to win hearts with its timeless design and unmatched versatility. The 2026 TW 200 carries forward its iconic retro look, now with subtle modern touches. It features a 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and reliable power, perfect for both beginners and adventure lovers. With its 5-speed gearbox, you get effortless control whether you're on highways or dirt paths. Its top speed reaches around 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, and you can expect a mileage of nearly 78 miles per gallon, 33 kilometers per liter, giving it an impressive range for long rides. The wide tires are the TW 200 signature feature, offering incredible grip and stability across all terrains. Its lightweight frame and low seat height make it comfortable and confidence-inspiring for all riders. Priced around $5,200, it remains one of the most affordable dual sport bikes on the market. Compared to rivals like the Honda Trail 125 or Kawasaki KLX 230, the TW 200 stands out for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and rugged charm. It may not be the fastest, but it's built to last and go anywhere you dare. If you love bikes that blend adventure, style, and reliability, the Yamaha TW 200 is your perfect companion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Insight for more exciting reviews and updates.